This is Inventive 2.0. 1.0 happened in Delhi. This is a very, very important forum where IITs come together and showcase what they have done and what is of relevance to the society. That's the most important thing that we are trying to bring out as a part of this Inventive Fair. We want to use this as a platform where we, number one, we communicate to the industry, we communicate to different stakeholders in the country on what is IIT's focus and what are all some of the very interesting, critical and emerging technologies that we are working and what would be the social impact. Specifically this year there are 5 different verticals, and most importantly we have Industry 4.0, healthcare and also sustainability as very important aspects that we are touching. Given that India as a country has given certain commitments to the United Nations in terms of the Sustainable Development Goals, this is very, very important that we all understand. So the number one is that we use this as a platform to announce to the world and give awareness to the world, external world, about what we are doing. Number two, this also is a very important forum where other IITs understand what the others are doing. And this we believe can lead to much more stronger inter-institutional collaboration. One such very glaring example that we can tell, very successful example, was the 5GI, where we had multiple institutions, IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Delhi, Indian Institute of Science, Samir, CVET. So many people joined together and made a standard for the country. I think many such standards can come out if we basically take this particular approach. So this is the second important benefit that we are seeing. Third, of course, for the young students to come and look at what is entrepreneurship in the country and also understand what are the pain points, what are the success stories, what are the failure stories, where they should be careful. So that this is going to certainly be a platform where the young people will understand what is innovation and entrepreneurship, and that will be a good motivation for them. India as a country, we aspire to become a technology superpower, absolute technology independence by 2047 as we march towards our 100 years of independence, and we must become employers rather than employees. And this fair, I'm sure, is a very, very important fair for the young entrepreneurs, motivating them to take entrepreneurship. Thank you very much.